herein.com presents itself as a next-generation, decentralized gaming platform where users can supposedly enjoy licensed slots, earn real money through gameplay, and benefit from full blockchain transparency and top-tier security. But is it actually delivering on these bold claims? Or is it just another crypto scam hiding behind buzzwords? Right from the start, herein.com raises several red flags that make it hard to trust. Although it claims to have been operational since 2017, a simple domain lookup reveals that the website was only registered in 2025, exposing a clear lie about its history. It also boasts big-name partnerships with brands like Afe and Red Bull, but there's zero evidence online or from those companies to confirm any such affiliation. Even more suspicious is the use of the name Joan Yarborough as the alleged founder, a prominent figure in the gaming world who appears to have no actual connection to this platform. The site further claims to hold high-level security certifications such as SOC 2 compliance, yet fails to offer any public documentation or third-party verification to prove it. Perhaps the most concerning sign is the complete absence of genuine user feedback. No Trustpilot reviews, no Reddit discussions, no forum mentions, nothing that validates the experience of real players. While the concept of blockchain-based gaming is exciting and full of potential, herein.com single quotes as misleading information, unverifiable claims, and lack of transparency make it extremely difficult to recommend. It's not necessarily an outright scam, but the signs suggest you should be very cautious before investing your time or money.